Yo, welcome back to the channel, everyone. Hopefully you guys are having a great rest of your day, start to your day, whatever time it may be. Today's a good day because Ford released a brand new update for the 2024 Mustang GTs. If you guys are unaware, they released a new gauge cluster, and if you have a new edge Mustang, this is pretty interesting, man. We're gonna check it out right now. All right, it's getting the S650, man. I believe I should have the update. I believe. I want to cold start it with the new cluster. Let's see if we got it. I'm not gonna say what it is, but I gotta get gas too. But we should be able to go to my Mustang cluster theme. Oh wait. Oops, I'm out here fiddling. I'm so excited. I'm pressing the wrong buttons. My Mustang cluster theme, I got it. We have the new SVT Cobra 99-01 cluster. Now, in my personal opinion, this is probably one of the easiest clusters to utilize if you've ever driven a Mustang. Very simple, nothing really going on the screen. You just have the tack, the speed, and with S650s, we have all the other gauges. Let's go ahead and get a cold start, man. Oh, this is nice. This is real nice. All right, as you guys can see, as soon as I got out the garage, it changed like the color, which is what it should do. Because I think in low light, it's a different color, but out, in the sunlight, it's a different color. But hands down, this is the best cluster we have so far. This just released. So if you have an S650, swap to it, man. This is awesome. It's just so clean and simple. I need to actually switch to sport mode. Yes. Like, this is the best gauge cluster we've had. I wonder what else they're gonna bring, man. Super easy to read, super easy to use. We just got the tack, we just got the speedometer, additional gauges, and obviously the mileage. Hope the wind noise ain't bad, man. Like I'm back in the 2-valve, no cats. I believe the black car had these gauges, if I remember correctly, because I do know the black car had different gauges. This is nice though. This is real nice. And the nice thing about this is with boost, this is actually like what the car revs to, as well as like the max speed. I believe with the stage 1 kits, it stops at like 150, and with the stage 2, I believe it's like 160, or it could be faster, but I know the stage 1 is done at 150 miles an hour. So this is like currently one of the more accurate gauges, believe it or not, even though it is old. This is one of the more accurate gauges we have for an S650, which is crazy, and this is a 99-01 gauge cluster, but it just looks real good. I mean, the white face, I believe it has like a bluish tint at night, but this is really nice. I love how they're bringing like all the older cars into this vehicle. It's funny because this is like this 2024 Mustang GT is literally like this is like Modern Warfare 3. Ironically, because they're bringing all the old stuff in the new game, and they're bringing all the old stuff in the new car. It's dope, man. I know some people can like, my 9901 had this already. I'm like, yes, we get that. That's not the point, you know? Some people want the newer technology, but with, I guess, a splash of the old school stuff if they want it, you know what I'm saying? Because if you don't like this, you don't have to use it. It's not forced. That's the one thing that, you know, I think people don't understand. Like, you literally, you don't even have to see this at all. Like, if you do not care for any other gauges and you love like the standard gauge, or if you love the sport gauge, like, you literally would not know this was in the car. Like, you can 100% avoid never seeing this as long as you never press the gauge cluster, because it's all the way at the bottom. So it's like, I don't really get why people can complain, you know what I'm saying? Like, if you don't want to see it, you don't have to see it. You'll never see it, you know? It's perfect. I love it. I like this, you know what I'm saying? I like this. I bet you when tuning's a lot, they're gonna drop the 0304 gauge cluster. Watch. I know I shouldn't be doing no like hard pulls on low gas while I'm not going nuts. Hope the wind noise ain't too crazy. I know it's kind of OD in this car. In a future video, I might be going ahead and stacking this car up against a manual Mach 1 as well as a 10R80 Mach 1. Obviously, I'm gonna put this car in E30 because I believe both cars are tuned on E. So I'm gonna do the E30 on here and then see how it does up against a manual Mach 1, and then obviously a 10R. 10R I'm getting walked, but manual, I don't know. It could be pretty interesting. It's gonna be a driver's race for real. No, that car has 373s, second gear 60. I don't know what, I mean, well, if it's tuned, the rev limiter's raised, so it shouldn't be that big of a deal. But this technically has the better gears for rolls, technically, but the car is NA, so it kind of cancels itself out. I need boost. Apparently Pro Charger's releasing their kit beginning of next month, is what I've been told. So I'm really curious to see what power the Pro Chargers make on this. The hell are these fellas doing? People are turning around. Holy shit! Y'all seeing this, right? What the fuck? Yo, look at all, what is this, dude? What is, dude, look at this guy. That is the most Texas thing I've ever seen in my entire life. This guy just honked at me. There's no way you honked at me. It's some infinity. Wow, that's crazy. So she literally just almost hits me. I honk at her, and then she honks at me. How the hell am I at fault? Like, pay attention to what you're doing. picked a hell of a time to come get gas, bro. That lady's like, I turned now, good luck everybody else. For real, that's literally what that was, man. She's the type, my husband's a cop. Like, whew. I got the perfect comeback for that, if that ever happened. I'd make somebody crash out if they told me that after doing something stupid that they think they can get away with. Oh man, please try that on me. It's 94 degrees out. Turbo diesel, yee yee. I wonder what happened up there to have this all backed up, because like it was backed up like this like 2 weeks ago, and now it's backed up again. I mean, people don't pay attention on 45. That's the thing. Ooh, I don't know if y'all caught that. That's why I don't be taking this highway during the weekends no more. I always just jump on the I'll just jump on Tardy. I don't even bother trying to go down here anymore. It's just not worth it. They shut down like 3 lanes, so it's like a 2-lane on the highway, which is crazy, and they do it on the weekends. Like, why do they not just do that? Well, I mean, I get not doing it on like a work week, because then people will be literally screwed trying to get to work. But like on a Saturday, y'all gotta shut that shit down at like 1 in the morning when this is dead. But they might be like, you know, there might be some rules against, you know, them working at 1 in the morning. Probably is, to be fair. There probably needs to be some type of light for the job that they're trying to do, because I know they're tearing up the street. I don't know, I'm not really into construction. My homeboy's in construction. I'll ask him, hey man, are y'all allowed to work at night? I bet you they're not, depending on the job. Whew. All right, let's go ahead and get some gas. Man, I just love this cluster face, dude. This is so tough. I mean, look at it. It's a standstill up there. It's backed up. Alright, some gas. It's literally a standstill. Crazy, man. Now I'm starting to get backed up in here. It's time to get out of here, man. It's too much traffic over here, y'all. I wonder if it might have the different face because it's darker. No, we still got the see. I mean, bro, this cluster face is gas. You cannot tell me it's not. Right where I'm about to do a pull. It's a V6, so it's not worth it. Oh, we might not have enough space. No, we might. So believe it or not, my GoPro just died because it got so hot. Let's do that again. definitely is easier to shift. I guess time the shifts with this simple gauge cluster, which is why I like it. Way easier to time it. When I'm like doing pulls, I'm definitely gonna, honestly, I might just keep this gauge cluster on 24/7. It's just that good, that simple, and honestly, it's my favorite. All right, let me know what you guys think of the new update forward pushed out for the S650s, man. I'm really enjoying it. Definitely the best gauge cluster they've dropped so far. We'll see what they do in the future, man. Will the 0304 Cobra cluster return when they open up tuning? I think so. Next couple of weeks we should get a Pro Charger kit so we can go ahead and see what power Pro Charger is making on the S650. I'm really curious because honestly I don't really care what route I go. Whipple, Roush, Pro Charge, whatever makes the most sense is what I'm gonna go with, for real. I got no prejudice. But yeah, I'm gonna get out of this heat, man. It's hot, over 100 degrees, well over 100 degrees. And I know for a fact my GoPro about to overheat. So, if you guys enjoyed the POV and some hard pulls, make sure y'all drop a like on the vid, subscribe to the channel, turn those post notifications. Gonna look at this absolute beauty, and I'm gonna catch you guys in the next one. Deuces.